What of hope? To be connected, disconnected, and then infected by this one idea. Hope that relationships seemingly rejected. Hope for one who would come perfected. God's intent was not to torment, yet mankind's mind was designed to unwind from the weight as they waited. Those Adams, those Eves, endlessly waiting for one who would come perfected. Prophecy through history, from Abraham to Bethlehem, one to restore what was broken. What is broken? In you and in me. The story for which we are forever tied is one where divinity and humanity collide, and one where a girl is not yet a bride. Hope waned, persistently distant. God's persistent, consistently existent. And in his pursuit to man, through his promise, saw Mary and gave her his favor, breathing into her life.